Responsive web design is an approach to web design that makes web pages render well on a variety of devices and screen sizes. It is made possible by fluid grids, flexible media, and CSS media queries. Grids are typically divided into 12 columns and sized proportionally to the width of the browser. This makes it easy to separate content into halves, thirds, and quarters, which can be arranged depending on the page's size. Grid patterns help give a consistent user experience with components that can be reused on different pages. Flexible media such as images and videos are also sized in relative units and can be scaled to fit any browser dimension. Media queries allow websites to conditionally apply different CSS styles based on the device the website is being viewed on. Most commonly, the browser width is checked to use breakpoints that determine how the viewport should be displayed. Ideally, breakpoints would automatically fit every device size, but unfortunately, with the wide variety of devices available, this is not easy to do. Mobile-first design is a great strategy for designing responsively. Designing for mobile devices first will make it easier to design for other devices and help you prioritize your content. You can test your website on different devices within your browser of choice using the device toolbar in Chrome and responsive design mode in Firefox or Safari. Designing responsively is important as more and more users access the internet from their mobile devices. Check out the resources below for more information.